Well, my friend Jason Mikell is here. I kind of wish you had better news for me because I saw a little bit of rain outside a little earlier. I assume it's still out there with this system you're talking about.
Yes, I've been watching it all evening, Laura, and I will tell you this, there's a bright point in our weekend that we have to talk about as well. Yes, it's beginning on a damp and a dreary note, but things do begin to change by the end of the weekend and starts to get a little bit better. This is a system that we're watching right now. Earlier we had a wind advisory back over towards the Arklatex region, but we're seeing here very cold air come in right on the backside of this area of low pressure and move all the way down to the south. This is what's bringing that air into the region that is a bit more tropical in some areas, also cool in others, rain in some areas, dry in others as well. So we're kind of like painting a very broad stroke here when it comes to the rain showers across the region. So when I take all these layers off, you can see there's a very, very textbook-like system. We call it an extratropical cyclone here that's spinning right over central Illinois at this point. Low pressure systems spin counterclockwise. So remember that. We are on the frontal edge of this system here. We're already seeing a little bit of convection back towards west central Ohio at this moment. And we've also watched a frontal boundary stall up to the north along the lakeshore area. You see here, we have a wind coming straight along the lakeshore, but back down south, we have winds coming out of the south and some areas are coming in out of the east as well. So this is kind of like indicative of what we're seeing across the area this weekend. Some areas, as of a couple hours ago, we're still in the upper 60s. They're not in the low 50s right now. Upper 40s, you can see at the Cuyahoga County Airport, 50 right now in Ashtabula. Region-wide, you can see where there is a temperature spread between St. Louis and Nashville. Earlier, St. Louis and Kansas City had about a 20-degree temperature difference there as well. How much rainfall are we expecting? Well, we had that first wave that came through earlier this evening. We have another wave coming through tomorrow afternoon with a few off and on showers kind of sprinkled in between. But as of right now, this takes us through Sunday night, anywhere from maybe a tenth, maybe to a quarter of an inch of rainfall. Some areas already picked up roughly around a quarter inch of rainfall already for this evening. So keep an eye on the clock and your place on the map as we roll the clock forward here in your National Design Mar hour-by-hour forecast. Yeah, we start off a bit mild, we start off a bit damp and also dreary, but you'll see here there's going to be another wave of rainfall coming in tomorrow afternoon through the evening hours. And then you'll also see that we start to wrap around with this area of low pressure. Some models wants to pick up on a little bit of mixed precipitation, perhaps even some snow showers as well. I think because temperatures will be above the freezing mark, we don't have to worry about that too much. So that's thank goodness. Spring starts on Sunday, low 50s, low 60s by Monday, Tuesday. Look at that up and down flow that we have to deal with at the start of the spring season. Al's back with sports after this.